As Hurricane Milton roared ashore, Florida faced its most ferocious storm in years. Making landfall as a Category 3 hurricane, Milton unleashed a barrage of destruction, transforming familiar landscapes into scenes of chaos. But it wasn't just the hurricane's winds that wreaked havoc. Tornadoes, including an EF3, cut through communities like Port St. Lucie and West Palm Beach, leaving trails of devastation in their wake. Families found themselves grappling with loss as floodwaters surged, submerging homes and businesses. Resilience shone through as neighbors came together, assisting each other in the wake of this disaster. Local authorities quickly mobilized emergency response teams, working tirelessly to assess the damage and provide aid to those affected. In the face of adversity, hope emerges. Recovery efforts are already underway, reminding us that Florida's spirit is unbreakable. As we watch this unfolding crisis, it's a stark reminder of the power of nature and the strength of community. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's stand together as we navigate the storm's aftermath.